Here's a great deal on a 2018 Ford Explorer. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, heated and ventilated seats, front and rear air conditioning, and leather upholstery. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. State-of-the-art amenities such as memory seats and adjustable pedals yield a more personal driving experience. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, brake assist, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.